What is the causative agent of roundworm infections? Ascaris lumbricoides, Necator americanus, Giardia lambda, Eugeria bancrofti. Correct answer is A. Ascaris lumbricoides. The blood vessels which supply the oxygenated blood from the heart to the body is called artery. The first branch of human aorta is brachiocephalic artery, coronary artery, left subclavian artery, left common carotid artery. Correct answer is B. Coronary artery. The concentration of sodium is lowest in the intracellular fluid, the extracellular fluid, the lymph, the blood. Correct answer is A. The intracellular fluid. Which of the following cranial nerve is related to the sense of smell? Abducent, hypoglossal, olfactory, vagus. Correct answer is C. Olfactory. During CPR, if your rescue breathing is appropriate, which finding will you get? Pupils are dilated, chest rises when air is forced in, hot sound is heard, pupils are equal and normal in both eyes. Correct answer is B. Chest rises when air is forced in. Sterilization, which is accomplished by thermal conduction, in which heat is absorbed by the exterior surface of an item and then passed to the next layer. This sterilization is chemical sterilization, dry heat sterilization, high level infection, autoclaving. Correct answer is B. Dry heat sterilization. You are going to administer subcutaneous injection to the patient. In which degree do you administer injection? 90 degree, 45 degree, 25 degree, 15 degree. Correct answer is B. 45 degree. Nasal cannula are used to administer oxygen to the client. The percentage of concentration delivered through nasal cannula are 20 to 45%, 22 to 45%, 24 to 45%, 25 to 45%. Correct answer is C. 24 to 45%. Which of the following condition is common causes of acute glomerulonephritis? Viral infection of the glomeruli, nephrotic infection, congenital renal disease, recent infection with group A streptococcus. Correct answer is D. Recent infection with group A streptococcus. A person with suspected cataract may give history of eye redness, eye pain, blurred vision, floaters. Correct answer is C. Blurred vision. The hallmark of acute inflammation is increased blood flow, increased permeability of microcirculation, increased vascular permeability, vascular stasis. Correct answer is C. Increased vascular permeability. The nursing diagnosis for a patient with a myocardial infarction is activity intolerance. Plan of care includes the patient outcome criterion of agreeing to discontinue smoking, ambulating 50 feet without experiencing dyspnea, experiencing no dyspnea on exertion, tolerating activities well. Correct answer is B. Ambulating 50 feet without experiencing dyspnea. While examining a 34 years woman, you got Brudzinski sign positive. Which disease is related to this condition? Encephalitis, Guillain-Barré syndrome, meningitis, myasthenia gravis. Correct answer is C. Meningitis. A nurse is assessing a patient with diagnosis of hepatitis A. Which of the following is most likely route of transmission? Sexual contact with an infected partner, contaminated food, blood transfusion, illegal drugs. Correct answer is B. Contaminated food. The target of Sustainable Developmental Goal is to reduce neonatal mortality rate till 2030 is less than 12 by 1000, less than 15 by 1000, less than 10 by 1000, less than 25 by 1000. Correct answer is A. Less than 12 by 1000. Which criterion in priority setting of health problems is used only in community health care? Modifiability of the problem, nature of the problem presented, preventive potential of the health problem, magnitude of the health problem. Correct answer is D. Magnitude of the health problem. The best method of teaching an urban slum about oral rehydration solution preparation is flashcard, lectures, demonstration, role play. Correct answer is C, demonstration. Coliform present in the water indicates excreta contamination in water, mud in water, chemical contamination in water, pure water. Correct answer is A, excreta contamination in water. Which of the following is not included in vital the statistics? Birth rate and death rate, migration, marriage and divorces, road traffic accident. Correct answer is D, road traffic accidents. Which of the following is principle of primary health care? Use of appropriate technology, immunization against infectious disease, prevention and control endemic diseases. Maternal and child health care. Correct answer is A, use of appropriate technology. The use of flavivivorous fish in malaria control is the basis for which strategy of malaria control? Stream clearing, stream seeding, destruction of breeding places, zoo prophylaxis. Correct answer is B, stream seeding. Which of the following is an essential amino acid? Alanine, methionine, glutamine, thymine. Correct answer is B, methionine. Which clients are considered targets for DOTS category? Sputum negative cavitary cases, clients returning after default, relapses and failures of previous PTB treatment regimens, clients diagnosed for the first time through a positive sputum exam. Correct answer is D, clients diagnosed for the first time through a positive sputum exam. The route of infection in diarrhea is oral to fecal, fecal to oral, inhalation, skin contact. Correct answer is B, fecal to oral. When caring for 3 days neonate who is receiving phototherapy to treat jaundice, the nurse would expected to do which of the following? Turn the neonate every 6 hours, encourage the mother to discontinue breastfeeding, notify the neonatologist if skin become bronze in color, check the vital sign every 2 to 4 hours. Correct answer is D, check the vital sign every 2 to 4 hours. Source of hemorrhage in placenta previa is torn fetal blood vessels, torn maternal blood vessels, torn maternal and fetal blood vessels, tear of lower uterine segment. Correct answer is B, torn maternal blood vessels. A client comes to the OPD for treatment of pelvic inflammatory disease. The nurse recognizes that the condition most frequently follows which types of infection? Trichomoniasis, chlamydia, streptococcus, staphylococcus. Correct answer is B, chlamydia. The most common symptoms that are experienced by the pregnant mother during first trimester is heartburn, morning sickness, constipation, backache. Correct answer is B, morning sickness. In which stage of development of fertilized ovum implantation occurs? Morula, zygote, cytoprophlast, blastocyst. Correct answer is D, blastocyst. Postnatal mother can start breastfeeding effectively immediately after delivery, between 1 to 2 hours of delivery, within 30 minutes of delivery, between 15 to 55 minutes after delivery. Correct answer is A, immediately after delivery. A nurse assigned to care for the child diagnosed with Down syndrome. Which of the following characteristic is not associated with Down syndrome? Simian crease, brachycephaly, oily skin, hypotonicity. Correct answer is C, oily skin. Among children aged 2 months to 3 years, the most prevalent form of meningitis is caused by Haemophilus influenza morbillivirus, Streptococcus pneumonia, Neisseria meningitis. Correct answer is A, Haemophilus influenza. Hemophilia A is resulted from deficiency of coagulation factor 8, coagulation factor 9, coagulation factor 7, coagulation factor 10. Correct answer is A, coagulation factors 8. What is the normal respiration rate of 3 years old boy? 20 to 30 beat per minute, 30 to 50 beat per minute, 15 to 20 beat per minute, 18 to 25 beat per minute. Correct answer is A, 20 to 30 beat per minute. A 3-year-old child can do all of the following except ride a tricycle, build a tower of 10 cubes, knows his age and sex, use scissor to cut out picture. Correct answer is D. Use scissor to cut out picture. Mycobacterium tuberculosis is caused by gram-negative bacteria, gram-positive bacteria, acid-fast bacteria, anaerobic bacteria. Correct answer is C. Acid-fast bacteria. Which of the following are not characteristic of mental health individual? Ability to adjustment and adaptation, capacity to give and accept love, ability to do decision by oneself, difficulty avoid negative thoughts. Correct answer is D. Difficulty avoid negative thoughts. If suicidal ideas shown by patient, diagnosis will be conversion disorder, panic disorder, depressive disorder, mania. Correct answer is C. Depressive disorder. The theory of operant conditioning is related to Ivan Pavlov, B.F. Skinner, Edward Lee Thorndike, Albert Bandura. Correct answer is B. B.F. Skinner. According to ICD-10 classification of mental disorders, schizophrenia, schizotypal and delusional are included in F00 to F09, F10 to F19, F20 to F29, F30 to F39. Correct answer is C. F20 to F29. A newly appointed staff nurses in a tertiary hospital wants to understand the span of control, channel and line of communication. Which of the following will provide this information? Organizational structure, policy, job description, manual procedure. Correct answer is C. Job description. Effective communication with client means listening quietly, smoothly talking with the client, clearly writing patient feedback of your question. Correct answer is D. Patient feedback of your question. In an intensive care unit of a hospital, nurses assume total responsibility for meeting all needs of assigned patient during their duty time. What is the method of assignment of this unit? Functional method, patient-centered, team method, modular method. Correct answer is B. Patient-centered. What are the qualities that define a leader who uses less is fear, involves group in planning and decision making, foster independence in term by promoting motivation and creativity, provide little autonomy and self-motivation, passive and puts the responsibility of decision making to others? Correct answer is B. Foster independence in term by promoting motivation and creativity. Motivation creates a congenial working atmosphere in the organization and promotes internal cooperation, external cooperation, interpersonal cooperation, internal and external cooperation. Correct answer is C. Interpersonal cooperation. In disaster management, which tag is appropriate for a person who can wait for few more minutes? Red, green, yellow, black. Correct answer is C. Yellow. Which one is correct among the following sentences grammatically? Let's go to the school, shall we? Let's go to the school, will we? Where I can find a bank? When I will arrive, I will call you. Correct answer is let's go to the school, shall we? Choose the appropriate option to complete the following sentence. The television channels dash special bulletins every hour today because the Prime Minister dash desperately ill. Will broadcast has been, are broadcasting is, broadcast has been, had broadcast has been. Correct answer is B. Are broadcasting is. तलको वाक्यांश पढेर दिएको विकल्पहरूमध्ये पूर्ण शुद्ध भएको वाक्यांश छान्नुहोस्। यसको चाहिँ करेक्ट एन्सर हुन्छ हाम्रो सी। अब्बल खेलकुद समृद्धिको आधार। निम्न शब्दहरूमध्ये शुद्ध शब्द कुन हो? 90, 19, 28, 32। करेक्ट एन्सर हुन्छ बी 19। यस्तै भिडियोको लागि प्लिज मेरो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनु होला। त्यसैगरी यो भिडियो लाइक र शेयर गर्न नभुल्नु होला। थ्यांक